Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the ultimate step-by-step guide to disease-proof stockpiling. Whether you're preparing for a pandemic or simply aiming to stay healthy, these tips will set you on the right path. So let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your needs. Take a moment to evaluate your household's requirements. Consider the number of people, their age, dietary restrictions, and any specific medical needs. This will help determine the quantity and variety of supplies you'll need. Step 2. Prepare an emergency kit. Stock up on essential items such as non-perishable food, bottled water, hygiene products, and basic medical supplies. Make sure to include prescription medications, a first aid kit, and personal protective equipment like masks and gloves. Step 3. Plan for long-term sustenance. Include foods with longer shelf lives like canned goods, dried fruits, and nuts. Don't forget to rotate your stockpile, consuming and replacing items before they expire. Step 4. Consider your special circumstances. If you have infants or pets, factor their needs into your stockpile. Formula, diapers, and pet food should be on your list. Also, it's smart to have extra supplies for personal hygiene, sanitation, and cleaning. Step 5. Stay connected. Ensure you have a battery-powered radio or other means of communication in case of power outages. Stay informed about emergencies and updates from reliable sources. Step 6. Prioritize mental health. Create a stockpile of activities like books, board games, or puzzles for entertainment during isolation periods. Don't underestimate the power of positive distractions. Step 7. Practice good hygiene. Stockpile essential hygiene items like hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and soap. Prioritize washing your hands frequently, practicing proper cough etiquette, and sanitizing frequently touched surfaces. Step 8. Stay physically active. Include exercise equipment or accessories that can keep you moving, even in limited spaces. Yoga mats, resistance bands, or small weights can go a long way in maintaining your physical well-being. And there you have it, the ultimate step-by-step guide to disease-proof stockpiling. Remember, being prepared reduces stress and protects your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information.